Your iPhone or iPad can store thousands of photos and videos, from treasured memories to essential media for creative or professional use. With iMazing, you can browse, export, and organize your entire photo library on macOS and Windows, without relying on iCloud or syncing with Photos. Export in original quality, convert HEIC to JPEG, preserve live photos, RAW files, and video clips, with full control over what goes where. Whether you need to transfer selected photos to your computer, to an external or network drive, or archive your entire library, iMazing gives you the flexibility to do it your way. In this tutorial, we'll walk through browsing, exporting, importing, and even recovering photos you thought were lost. First, download and install iMazing from iMazing.com. Then, launch the application on your Mac or PC. Next, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. If this is the first time you're connecting the device, unlock it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm pairing. Once paired, iMazing will remember the device for future sessions. In iMazing's main window, click Devices in the left sidebar. You'll see all devices that have previously been paired to your computer. Select the device you want to work with. At the top, you'll see the main datasets. Click the Photos icon. iMazing loads your photo library straight from the device, and you can already start browsing while thumbnails are still loading in the background. After completing the initial USB pairing, you can connect wirelessly for all future sessions. No cable required. Collapse the sidebar by clicking the arrow so you have a bigger workspace to work with. On the left menu shows Library, Media Types, and Albums. Click on any album to browse it. You can switch between three views at the top. Moments shows your photos by date and location. Grid, a classic thumbnail layout. And List, where you can sort everything by date, location, image format, and other criteria and metadata, including file size, which is useful when you're hunting down large video files that are eating up storage. There's also a search bar and a date range filter, so you can quickly narrow down to a specific trip, a specific month, or whatever you need. Double-click any photo to open it in the detail view. You get a full preview. EXIF metadata, GPS location on a map. You can click it to open Google Maps. To enter full screen mode, click the Expand button in the top left corner, or double-click the photo. A carousel below the preview displays additional thumbnails. Click any thumbnail to jump directly to that photo, or swipe to scroll through. To exit full screen mode, click the Collapse button in the top left corner, or press the Escape key. For live photos, iMazing shows the photo and video components as separate assets. The same goes for edited and portrait photos. You can view the original without filters or depth effects. For burst photos, every frame is accessible. iMazing simply offers a level of access you don't get anywhere else. Select what you want to export. Click one photo, Shift-click for Arrange, Command or Control to add individual items, or Command or Control plus A to grab everything. Then drag straight to your desktop for a quick export, or click the Export button for more control. The Export dialog has three sections worth knowing: Media Types and Assets. Choose whether to export photos, videos, screenshots, or all of it. You can also choose to include the video component of live photos, or portrait mode originals without the depth effect. Export exactly what you need, nothing more. Folder organization. iMazing can automatically create folders by moment or by media type, ideal when you're archiving a full year of photos. HEIC to JPEG conversion. Your iPhone shoots in HEIC by default. It's efficient but not universally compatible. One checkbox converts everything to JPEG on the fly. Click Next, pick your destination, your computer, an external drive, or a network drive, and iMazing handles the rest. And what about going the other way and adding pictures to albums on your device from any computer? iMazing makes it just as simple. Drag image files or folders directly into iMazing's library view to create a new album. You'll be prompted to name the album. The album then appears on your device under From My Mac. Two important things. Photos imported this way don't go into your camera roll, and they're not included in device backups. That's an Apple restriction, not an iMazing design choice. You can also delete photos directly from iMazing. Select them, hit delete. Keep in mind, photos deleted this way don't go to the recently deleted album. They're gone immediately, so make sure you have a backup first. If you use iCloud Photo Library with optimized storage enabled, some of your photos may not actually be stored on your device, but in iCloud. But that's fine with iMazing. It flags them with an in-cloud indicator and only shows a low-resolution thumbnail. When you export them, iMazing will prompt you to sign in with your Apple account to download the full-resolution file first. Your credentials stay securely stored in your macOS keychain or Windows credentials, never sent to iMazing or anywhere else. When you delete a photo on iPhone, iOS moves it to the recently deleted album for 30 days. After that, it's gone from your device and from iCloud. iMazing keeps your entire photo library in its backups. Click Now in the toolbar to browse earlier snapshots of your photo library, including photos and videos you deleted more than 30 days ago. Gone from iCloud doesn't mean gone from iMazing. Keep complete control over your iPhone photo library. No iCloud subscription, no quality lost, and everything stays local and private. Download link is in the description. If you found this useful, subscribe for more iMazing tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.